Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure ActiveCampaign for email automation, complete guide step by step clearly.
Open your ActiveCampaign account. Navigate to the Automations tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Create an Automation button. Choose the Start from Scratch option for a custom setup. Select the starting trigger for your automation. Once set, click Add Start to confirm. You will now see the automation canvas. Next, click on the plus icon to add an action. Choose the type of action you'd like to include. Options include send an email, wait, condition, and more. For email actions, select Send an email. If you haven't created an email yet, you will be prompted to do so. Using the email builder, craft your message accordingly. Make sure to include a compelling subject line and body content. Once satisfied, click Save and Exit. Next, if you want to add a wait period, click the plus icon again. Choose Wait from the action options. Specify the duration you want to wait before the next step. Click Save. If you wish to add conditional logic, click the plus icon. Select if/else from the action options. Define your conditions based on user behavior or data. Click Save to add the condition to your automation. You can continue to add actions, waits, or conditions as needed. Review your automation steps to ensure everything is in order. Once finalized, enable your automation by toggling the switch at the top. ActiveCampaign will begin executing your automation based on the defined triggers and actions. Monitor your automation's performance via the Reports section. Make necessary adjustments based on the analytics provided. And that concludes your guide on configuring ActiveCampaign for email automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.